Hands-on with the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 2025, the powerful tablet carrying the world with AMD Ryzen AI Max 395. The ASUS ROG Flow Z13 2025 marks a new milestone in portable gaming and productivity devices, packing unprecedented power into a sleek tablet form factor. As one of the first devices to feature AMD's cutting-edge Ryzen AI Max 395 processor, the Flow Z13 offers performance that challenges expectations. In the laptop world, with a 16-core Zen 5 CPU, a 50 TOPS AI neural processing unit, NPU, and a robust integrated Radeon 8006 OS GPU rivaling mid-range discrete graphics, this tablet is designed to deliver top-tier gaming and AI experiences in an ultra-portable chassis. Opening the box, ASUS demonstrates thoughtful attention to detail. Beyond the Flow Z13 tablet itself, the package includes a detachable keyboard, a stylus pen complete with replacement tips, and a pen charging cable. A standout feature is the inclusion of two power adapters, a hefty 200W charger designed to unleash the device's full performance potential, and a more compact 100W power delivery PD charger ideal for on-the-go use. To protect the device, ASUS also provides a shock-resistant carrying case. While the 2025 model retains much of the Flow Z13's distinctive tablet design, it refines several key details. All the core hardware is housed behind the display, supported by an adjustable kickstand at the back that allows flexible positioning for various use scenarios, from gaming and typing to drawing or media consumption. The rear panel features beautifully stylized ventilation holes, while a central glass window reveals some internal components, highlighted with customizable RGB lighting for an eye-catching aesthetic. Although the tablet weighs just over 1 kilogram, the robust build quality makes it feel solid and premium. A single rear camera is included, providing acceptable image quality for quick snapshots, ideal for scanning documents, capturing lecture notes, or snapping presentation slides when in meetings or classes. The top edge hosts two sizable heat exhaust vents and the iconic ROG logo. Two 2W stereo speakers flank the device's sides, delivering audio quality that is decent, but understandably less immersive compared to flagship MacBooks or larger ROG gaming laptops like the Zephyrus G14 or G16. The detachable keyboard connects via strong magnetic latches on the tablet's underside and includes a full touchpad. Its design closely resembles Microsoft's Surface keyboard, allowing the user to tilt the keyboard to a comfortable angle. Stabilized by magnets on the bottom bezel, users can interact directly through the touchscreen or with the included ASUS Pen, enabling precise handwriting, drawing, and note-taking. One caveat is that the keyboard's ultra-thin build results in noticeable flex when typing or using the touchpad, which may detract from the premium experience expected at this price point. For optimal productivity, investing in an external mechanical keyboard might be advisable. Despite adding the keyboard's 0.39 kilograms, the total weight remains around 1.6 kilograms. Remarkably portable for a gaming-capable device with this much horsepower. The ROG Flow Z13 offers a surprisingly rich selection of ports for such a compact device. It includes one USB 3.2 Gen 2 type of port for legacy peripherals, two USB 4 Type-C ports supporting high-speed data, display output, and power delivery, one HDMI 2.1 FRL port for connecting to high-resolution external displays, a micro SD card slot for expanded storage or quick data transfers, a classic 3.5mm headphone jack, a dedicated charging port for the 200W power adapter. This generous array covers most connectivity needs without requiring dongles, a significant advantage for users who rely on multiple peripherals. The Flow Z13 sports a 13.4-inch screen, with a 16:10 aspect ratio and a sharp 2.5K resolution 2560 by 1600 pixels. Its highlight is the blisteringly fast 180 Hz refresh rate, an uncommon feature in tablets and even some laptops, ensuring smooth visuals during gaming and fast-paced content. The touchscreen supports finger and stylus input, offering versatility for creative and productivity tasks. However, as with many Windows tablets, touch responsiveness in the Windows interface itself can feel somewhat clunky compared to iPad OS or Android, a persistent weakness shared even by Microsoft's own Surface lineup. The true star of the Flow Z13 2025 is its AMD Ryzen AI Max 395 processor, part of the brand new Strix Halo family built on a cutting-edge 4nm process. This powerhouse features 16 Zen 5 CPU cores delivering 32 threads, all high-performance cores, no low-power Zen 5C cores, unlike Ryzen AI 9HX 370. A massive 80 MB cache and boost clock speeds up to 5.1 GHz. Integrated NPU XDNA capable of 50 TOPS AI operations. An integrated Radeon 806 OS GPU based on RDNA 3.5 architecture with 40 compute units CUS, clocked at up to 2,900 MHz. Notably, the GPU component provides 2.5 times more compute units than the Radeon 890M found in the Ryzen AI 9HX 370. With shading power comparable to an NVIDIA RTX 4060 laptop GPU. A novel unified memory architecture allows the Radeon 806 OS GPU to dynamically share up to 75% of the system RAM. In the 32GB LPDDR5X 8000 MHz configuration, this means the GPU can access up to 24 GB of memory, far exceeding most discrete laptop GPUs' VRAM limits. High memory bandwidth of 256 GB complements this design, maximizing performance. Despite the Ryzen AI Max 395's configurable TDP up to 120W, ASUS caps it at about 85W to fit within the tablet's thermal constraints. Yet performance remains impressively strong. Preliminary tests show the Flow Z13 surpasses 30,000 points in Cinebench R23 and over 1,600 points in the latest Cinebench 2024 CPU benchmarks. Graphically, the Radeon 806 OS scores above 10,500 points, nearly doubling the performance of a 6GB RTX 3050 laptop GPU and closely trailing the 115W RTX 4060 laptop GPU. Powered by a 70 Wh battery, the Flow Z13 offers excellent endurance. In real-world usage scenarios such as online work and YouTube playback on power-saving mode, it can last approximately 8 to 9 hours. An impressive feat given its performance class and slim design. The ASUS ROG Flow Z13 2025 is a trailblazer in combining high performance computing, AI capabilities, and gaming prowess into an ultra-portable tablet format. Its AMD Ryzen AI Max 395 processor and Radeon 806 OS graphics deliver near laptop-class power, while a vibrant 13.4-inch 180 Hz touchscreen and comprehensive connectivity options support diverse workflows. Though compromises exist such as keyboard, flex and touch input limitations inherent in Windows tablets, the overall package excels at portability without sacrificing performance. For gamers, content creators, and professionals seeking a device that can truly carry the world in their backpack, the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 2025 offers an unprecedented blend of power, portability, and versatility.